Lantaw sa
5 seconds.
basketball. Announcer ko.
Andiyan dyan, nakuha ni Fabio sa nakuha ni Agrid. Counting. Counted foul. Time, last 1 minute and one number 16. Seconds to play for the first quarter. Last 15 seconds. Oh. Last 40 seconds. Deloria dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Nahita kapasahan. Nakuha ni jersey number 34. Wala. Last 20 seconds.
Sayang.
Last 25.
Feeling ko parang sa amin lang ako talaga. Maraming mga kids.
Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Jersey number 23. 15 to shoot. Nakuha.
Sinudong ko yung pipi na.
Jersey number 11, dribbling the ball up. Jersey number 4. Just a foul that. Foul. For the second quarter. Last 35 seconds. No more shot clock. Last 20. Jersey number 20. Nangitay kapasahan. Last 10 seconds. Pass it to jersey number 2. Last. Wala. Nakuha. Up. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Passing to jersey number 16. Nakuha ni jersey number 17. Arog wala. Number 20. 2 points by jersey number 16. 4, 12, 22.
Galing ng announcer.
Yeah, jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Passing to
pero mas magaling yung batang referee.
Wala.
Bata pa siya, no? Referee na siya. Ang galing-galing niya talaga.
Out of bounds. Traveling violation by wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 16. Trying to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 20. Deloria. Trying to shoot it. Wala. Jersey number 16, dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Oh. Foul. Pushing foul by jersey number 20.
Bilis ng mata niya.
Time. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds for the third quarter.
Third quarter na.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Foul, jersey number 17.